Hey, what's going on, guys? In this episode, we're going to be replacing the rear exhaust hanger on this Chevy 1500 series. Let's get to it. So the only two, maybe three things you'll need for this is the exhaust hanger. This one can be found on my Amazon link down below in the description. You also need probably some WD-40 to make it slide off a little bit easier and also slide back on. This is pretty rigid. And then at most you might need a screwdriver or a pry bar of some sort if you can get in there and pry it out. But the exhaust hanger that's in question is this one right underneath here. So let's go ahead underneath and get a better look at it. All right, so I have you guys from underneath the vehicle here, and you can see my existing one. It is completely gone, broke right in two, which is why we need to replace it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some WD-40 on this side of the hanger as it comes off from this way. And now with that lubricated up, I'm just gonna see if I can pull it off. All right, I was successfully able to get that one off. That's awesome. Nice and easy. And let's see if we can get the top one off here. Perfect. That one came off very easily as well. Now with the new one, we're gonna go ahead and just lubricate it up a little bit by just putting a little bit of WD-40 in there. Top and bottom. And then also on the metal bracket hangers. I'm gonna slide it on the top first. There you go. It's on the top now. Let's see if we can get the bottom to go on now. Might have to reposition the exhaust a little bit to get it to go. There we go. That is on, nice and tight and more secure than ever. Perfect. There we go. The old one is out and the new one is on. That's a really easy job. Like I said, Amazon link down below in the description to the WD-40 and to the exhaust hanger. But if this video helped you at all, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos. But until next time, see ya.